Hello guys, it's me Heng from VF Studio again. So today I want to show you what we have here. Now this is a BMW 4-inch door scan. So what we realize is that while the 4-inch is mounted on the door, it is very difficult to get a proper sound, or when we say proper means correct tone from the speakers, and this is usually the cause of the enclosure here. So when we did the impedance sweep and things and test the enclosure, it is having a Q efficiency of 2.8 and above. So the ideal standard is 0.5 to 0.7. Okay, so when we look at this, right, this is basically vented into the door. This is the window motor, the glass support, and then basically this portion is moving. So when we scan this this data, right, we put it into Fusion. Now once you see in Fusion, right, we are able to do a customized enclosure for this setup, and this is the enclosure. It is it will be vented, periodically vented. So we will draw a vent here, and then we'll try to regulate the pressure within the speakers, so the speakers can have a proper tone across the whole frequency spectrum. This is because it's supposed to play from 100 all the way up to 3000 or 4000 depending. So what we are trying to achieve here is the full proper tone of these 4-inch speakers. Okay, so stay tuned to us. We will update when we have the actual installation done.